Hello, everybody. Christina here, your tech director. Today, I wanted to do a quick command tip on how you can add a mortgage calculator widget to your agent website, okay? So I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to get started. When you're in command, you're going to want to go down to consumer on the very bottom left of your screen. Once you're here, we're going to go to create a new page at the top right in blue. And then click on my agent site, create page. Once you're here, don't forget to name your page at the top. So that way it's easy to find your page later when we have to activate it. So I'm just going to name it Mortgage Calculator. Now we have to have a widget on this page in order for it to save properly. So the one that I think looks the best is if you just click on the download my app and drag it over and drop it. This will be the footer, basically the one at the very bottom of this page, okay? Now to add the mortgage calculator widget to here, we need to go down to the very bottom. Right above configure widgets at the bottom right, you'll see content blocks. So click on that and then click on text. When you click on it, you're going to drag it over. Make sure that the text goes above the download app, download the KW app, and you'll see the green line at the very top there. That is correct. You want this at the very top because the widget, the mortgage calculator widget, is going to take up most of the page, okay? So once you're here, go ahead and delete this text and make sure to copy the embedded code that is in the description of this video, all right? And you're going to paste that right here. You'll see that's a very long code, but what is so cool is once you've pasted this code here, you highlight the whole section of the code, and then right below it, you'll see this little link button. It kind of looks like two paper clips. Click on that, and that's going to activate your mortgage calculator. So now you will see that widget is in place, and everybody that uses it can go in here and type whatever they want and use the mortgage calculator. And then at the very bottom of that page, it has the download the KW app feature. So that's how easy it is to create it. All you have to do now is go up to the very top right and click Save Changes. And yes, we would like to publish this to our page. It brings you to agent site pages, and you're going to go down to the very bottom left where it says Add Page in blue. Click that, and we are going to click on Mortgage Calculator. Continue. And for the page title, you could just make that Mortgage Calculator. Page title, this is the one that will be visible on your website on the drop-down menu, okay? URL slug, mortgage. You can make this whatever you'd like, but this is what I like. Dash calculator. And then for the SEO description, you could do mortgage calculator to assist with the home buying process. Okay, so once you have typed all that in there, you just click save, and now your mortgage calculator is live on your website. To confirm it's on there, you can either go to your website directly on a different tab, or you can click back at the top to agent site pages, and you'll see mortgage calculator with a green or blue, whatever color it looks like on your computer, little eyeball here. That means it is active. When you click on the eyeball, it will actually take you to the page. So now you can see that page is active on my website. All right. So if y'all have any questions, let me know, okay? Have a great day.